Laundry and powder room. Using SoftPlan's cabinet and symbol tools, a laundry room and powder room can be quickly added to the floor plan. Begin by zooming in to view the room that will become the laundry room in both the 2D and 3D tabs. To begin, right-click one of the doors that enters this room and select Center Opening. Choose to center the door along the inner wall length and select OK. Repeat this step to center the other door entering the laundry room. SoftPlan's Auto Cabinet feature is a fast way to add cabinets to the drawing. Select Cabinet from the Draw menu and then select Auto Cabinet. In the Auto Cabinet menu, ensure that the boxes for Add Upper Cabinets and Add Lower Cabinets are both checked. The type, finish, and face style of the cabinets can be modified in this menu as needed. For the lower cabinets, change the cabinet finish to painted blue and click OK. To begin drawing the run of cabinets in 3D, click the start point on the wall. Trace the cabinet run along the wall to the other side and then click again to end. SoftPlan will automatically draw the upper and lower cabinets needed to fill the area, avoiding the window looking out of this room. Right-click one of the wall cabinets and select Edit. Select the Accessories tab and enable Crown Molding. From the Profiles menu, select the Art Nouveau profile and click OK. Next, click the Add Handles field. Here, a new handle symbol can be applied to the cabinets from one of SoftPlan's stock or manufacturer libraries. Use the Repeat Edit command on the other wall cabinet and the base cabinet run. Next, washer symbols can be added from the Symbols menu. In the 3D Textured tab, orient the camera to view the opposite wall in this room. To close the doors in the 3D model, simply edit the door and disable the Open in Model option in the Display tab. Use Repeat Edit to close the other laundry room door. In the Main Floor tab, right-click the drawing screen and select Symbol. Select a washer symbol from one of the manufacturer libraries and add it against the wall in the upper left corner of the laundry room. Add a dryer symbol in the lower left corner. Between the symbols, open the Configure Cabinet menu and draw a base cabinet with a width of 42 inches. Edit the cabinet to apply the same finish and handle symbol that was added to the base cabinets on the other wall. Using the Rod and Shelf command, shelving can be added over the washer and dryer symbols. Edit the rod and shelf and disable the rod. Next, enter an offset of 4 feet and 6 inches, a depth of 1 foot and 4 inches, and a thickness of 1.5 inches. Finally, set the number of shelves to 2 and enter a spacing of 1 foot and 4 inches. Moving to the room on the other side of the kitchen, new walls and symbols will be added to create a powder room. Start by right-clicking the drawing room and selecting Wall. From the Wall Type menu, select the Partition 3.5-inch wall. Sketch 2 intersecting walls to create the rough area that will become the powder room. With the walls added, dimension lines can now be drawn and edited to precisely dimension the new room. The door entering the powder room can be quickly changed to a more suitable door type that does not interfere with the sink that will be added. To do this, simply edit the door and click the Opening field in the Plan tab. From the panel library, select a 28 by 80 door symbol. Finally, select the Display tab and click the Reverse Door Swing button. The next step is adding the toilet and sink symbols. Right-click the drawing screen and select Symbol. Select a Kohler toilet symbol and click to add it against the rear wall of the powder room. Next, a symbol that combines a sink with a mirror can be added to the right of the toilet. Select OK and use the 3D tab to examine the appearance of the powder room.